Right here to the left, this is the exact replica of the capsule that astronaut John Glenn splashed on here in 1962 on February 20th. This is called Friendship 7. So we are going to stop here so you guys can get a picture of how the Grand Turk Columbus Passage separates the Turks Islands from the Caicos Islands. It is also the main reason the military base came to set up the tracking station in 1953. This is where astronaut John Glenn spent 3 nights when splashed down here in 1962 on February 20th. Was joined one night after by Vice President Lyndon Johnson. Island Cockburn Town. Well, I will tell you guys, I would say I'm going to do a shell run. Every day I took some shell run back, show people. Good morning, girlie. How are you? There you go.